Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Tess. Today I'll show you how to make everyone's favorite pull-apart beef sliders. This delicious recipe is one of my creations, but before we get to the recipe, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you. First of all, you need 2 small to medium-sized onions. Dice them into small cubes. I'm just showing how to dice half of one onion. Please check the description box below for the list of all the ingredients. Now set the diced onions aside. Now heat a 10-inch skillet on medium-high heat. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add a 1/4 teaspoon of dried rosemary, followed by a 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. Stir and fry for a few seconds. Then add the diced onions. Saute for about a minute. Heat is still on medium-high. Add half a teaspoon of kosher salt, followed by half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir to combine. Cook until the onions become slightly tender. Meanwhile, add half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. After every addition of ingredients, it's very important to combine everything. Now add 2 pounds of ground beef. Combine well while at the same time breaking the ground beef for even cooking. Turn the heat to high for the beef to heat up. Once the beef starts releasing water, turn the heat back to medium-high. Stir so the meat is evenly cooked, also to make sure nothing is stuck at the bottom of the pan. Now cover and cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. Uncover to stir so nothing is stuck at the bottom, and also for even cooking. Then cover again and cook for another 6 to 8 minutes. Our meat is done, but we're still going to cook for another minute or 2 uncovered so the excess moisture dries out, at the same time stirring in between if necessary. Now I'm going to show a close-up of how all the excess moisture has been dried out. See, there is no excess moisture left. Now remove the skillet from heat and set aside. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of salted butter in the microwave for about 30 seconds at 10 seconds increments. Set aside. You need 2 white sliders of your choice. I really like this kind. On a medium-sized baking sheet, brush a few strokes of the melted butter and place parchment paper on top. The butter would allow it to stick. Now brush the melted butter on the entire thing. If you're using a glass baking dish, you won't need the parchment paper. Now place the slider buns on top. Set aside the upper buns while we prep the lower ones. Brush melted butter all over. Please check the description box for notes on this recipe. Now spread the cooked ground beef on top as evenly as possible. You need 12 slices of provolone cheese. Now place the provolone cheese slices on top. Bring back the upper buns and place them on. Brush them with melted butter. The usage of butter in many steps gives a rich taste and at the same time prevents the sliders from tasting dry. You need some shredded Parmesan cheese of your choice. Sprinkle some shredded Parmesan cheese on top. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 minutes until the cheese melts. Please check the description box for notes on this recipe. They're done and taste absolutely delicious. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video. Like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.